Welcome to LTS. In this series, we will discuss about quantitative aptitude, sequence and series progression for competitive exam. We'll discuss about what is arithmetic progression, arithmetical progression, nth term and sum of nth term, examples, arithmetical mean, geometrical progression, nth term and sum of the nth term, examples, geometrical mean, harmonic progression, some important formulas and exercises. First, what is arithmetical progression? An arithmetical progression or arithmetical sequence is a sequence of number where difference between consecutive term is always constant. Say a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d dot are in the arithmetical progression, where d is the common difference. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. It is in arithmetical progression as each term is increased by 2. The common difference is 2 here. So it is in arithmetical progression. Now, two important formula, that is arithmetical progression AP, finding nth term and sum of nth term. For example, we'll take a series 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. We consider this series. Here, what is the initial term? That is 1. Common difference is 3 minus 1, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. So common difference is 2. Say nth term here we need 5. So by this formula, what will be the nth term? Nth term is Tn equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is a? 1. N is equal to 5. So 1 plus 8, that means 9. So nth term, fifth term, that is here how much we take? T5. So fifth term is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth term is 9. We can cross check like this way. Now we'll find out what is the sum of first fifth term. Now in this sequence, taking this example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, dot. So in this sequence, arithmetic sequence, say we have to find out sum of up to fifth term. We know Sn up to nth term, the formula is so here S5 will be 2 into 1 plus this will be 10. 5 into 5, 25. How much we got? 25 by this formula. What is the formula? Sum of the first nth term. That is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So here we find out up to the first 5 terms, that is 25. Now we know the terms. So what will be the fifth up to 5 term? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. That means this is how much? 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 7, 16, 16 plus 9, 25. It is same. So this formula is correct. So this way we can find out the nth term and sum of the first nth term, which is very important. Examples: find the 15th term and sum of the 15th term of the AP. This is another example. One we have already done. It is another example. So here a is equal to 3. D equal to 7 minus 3 is equal to 4, 11 minus 7 is equal to 4, 15 minus 11 equal to 4. So D is equal to common difference equal to 4. And what is the n? N value is 15. It is nth term they want. So T15 will be A plus n minus 1 into D equal to 3 plus 15 minus 1 into 4. 14 into 4 is equal to 56 plus 3. That means this is 59. So first part, the answer is 59. Okay, now next part we'll see. The next part, for the next part, we know the sum up to the 15 term. That means as 15 equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We have to find out this up to 15 term sum. So n equal to 15. What is a? A equal to 3. Common difference is 4. $56. 62. 15 into 31. This will be 465. This will be the answer. Arithmetical mean. When three quantities are in arithmetical progression, the middle term is known as arithmetical mean. A of other two, let A and B be the two quantities. A is the capital A is the arithmetical mean. Then A and B are in arithmetical progression. And A equal to A plus B by 2. Now we'll discuss geometrical progression. A series is said to be in geometrical progression GP when they increase or decrease by a common factor. The constant factor is called common ratio. It is called common ratio. And the series will be in the form AR square, AR cube, AR to the power 4, this series. And R is the common ratio. Example 2, 6, 18, 54, like this. Now what is R? First find out. That is, we can see it is increasing. So this is how much it is. It is same like 18 by 6 is equal to 3. So R is equal to 3 here. Some decreasing sequence examples are 81, 27, 9, 3, 1. It is decreased by 3 by 9, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 ratio. This is 1 by 3 ratio. It is decreasing. Now in geometrical, like in arithmetic progression, geometric progression also, we have the formula for nth term and sum of nth term. Now here the formula is A into R n minus 1. And sum up to the nth term will be a r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. These two are very important formula which need to be remembered. Say we are taking one very simple series to understand the thing. Say 2, 4, 8, 16, like this the series is. Here a is equal to 2, r equal to 8 by 4, 2, 16 by 8, 2. So this will be 2. Say nth term is 10. What will be the nth term? 10th term, T10. How much? As per this formula, a into r n minus 1. What is a? 2. R is equal to 2 n minus 1. 10 minus 1. 2 to the power 9. So this way we have to find out. Now what will be the sum up to 10, 12, up to 10th term? This equal to again 2 into r to the power n. That means 2 to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. R is equal to 2. R is equal to 2. 2 minus 1, 1. So 2 10 to the power 2 to the power 10 minus 1 by into 2. That will be the formula. Now here they ask to find the sixth term of the sequence 3, 6, 12, 8, 13. So how we will find the sixth term? Here r equal to 6 by 3, 12 by 6, we will get 2. This is the formula. Two to the power 5 equal to 32. So 3 into 32. So 3, this answer will be 96. The sum of the first six term S6. So this equal to 3 into 2 to the power 6 is equal to 64 minus 1 by 1. So this is coming 3 into 63 and this equal to 189 will be the answer. Let G, A, G, B are in geometrical progression, then geometrical mean is root over A into B. Now we'll discuss what is harmonic progression. The reciprocal of quantities in harmonic progression are in arithmetical progression. Let A, B, C, then the series is called in harmonic progression. So for example, A, B, C are in harmonic progression, then 1 by A, 1 by B and 1 by C will be called harmonic progression. When it will be called harmonic progression? When reciprocal of this number will be in arithmetical series. Now what is arithmetical of 1 by a is equal to a, 1 by b is equal to b, c equal to c. Now if a, b, c are arithmetical progression, it is this whole 1 by a, 1 by b, 1 by c is called harmonic progression. And relation among a, g, h, a, g, h, h means harmonic mean, g means geometric mean, a means arithmetic means. So geometrical mean g equal to root over arithmetical mean means harmonic means. Now some more important formula we need to remember. So similar type of questions are coming in exams. Sum of the first n natural numbers. Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this way. So what is the sum of n natural number? That is need to be remembered. Sum of the square of first n natural number. Sum of the square is 2n plus 1. Like this for cubic also, formula is n into n plus 1 by 2 into whole square. You have to remember these formulas, then this kind of question can be attempted. Now we'll discuss exercises. Find the 10th term of the series 3, 7, 11, 15. We have to find the 10th term. It's very easy. A is equal to 3, D equal to here 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. It is same, 11 minus 7 is equal to 4 also. And what is n? N is equal to here 10. So term 10 is equal to a plus this will be 39. Thus S10 equal to, we know the formula, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this equal to, n is equal to 10. So 10 by 2, 2 into a plus 10 minus 1, 9, 9 into 3. So 5 into 4 plus 27. So 5 into 31. So this will be 155. This is how we have to do this. Let's go to next one. Find the first term and common difference of AP if the third term is 4 and the ninth term is 13. So here it is given T3 is equal to 4. We know the formula for T3, or 4 is equal to A plus into D. So this equal to A plus n is equal to how much? 3. N is equal to 3. So A plus 2D. This is 1. Then another is equal to 13. That means that equal to n is equal to 9. So 9 minus 1 into D. A plus 8D. this is 2. Now with this 2 formula we can easily find out. Say 2 minus now if we do another way, 2 minus 1 will get 8d minus 2d, a cancel, so 8d minus 2d equal to 13 minus 4. So 6d equal to 9, so d is equal to 3 by 2 if we simplify. Now if d is equal to 3 by 2, we can find out a. So a will be, say, first formula 4 is equal to a plus 2 into 3 by 2. This formula we will use. So a plus 3, a is equal to 4 minus 3, 1. So a is equal to 1, first term is 1, and the common difference is 3 by 2. That will be the answer. Find the sum of the series 0.5, 0.51, 0.52, 0.53 up to 100 term. So here a is equal to 0.5, d equal to 0.51 minus 0.5 minus 0.5, 0.01. So s 100 equal to n by 2, n is equal to 100, n by 2, 2 into a is equal to 0.5 plus n minus 1, 100 minus 1 into d, 0.01. If we simplify it, we'll get 99. We have to simplify it, we'll get 99.5. Find the eighth term 2, 6, 18. Now 2, 6, 18, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, 18 minus 6 is equal to 12. So it is not in AP. So it is not in AP. First we have to see if it is in AP or it is in GP. Now if we see ratio, 6 by 2 is equal to 3, 18 by 6 equal to 3. So it is in GP, geometric progression. And what is the common ratio? 6 by 2, 3. A is equal to 2. Now we have to find out 8th term. Now T8. We know the formula A into R n minus 1. So n is equal to 8. So A equal to 2, 2 into 3 to the power 8 minus 1 equal to 4374. Find the sum of the 8th term and nth term of the series 9 minus 3, 1 minus 1 by 3. So here we can see easily that it is in a decreasing order, and it is the common ratio is R is equal to minus 1 by 3. It is in GP. Now we have to find out S8. We know the formula R to the power n minus 1 by R minus 1. What is A? A is equal to 9. R to the power n 1 by 3 minus 9 R n minus 1 minus 1, sorry. So this will be 8 minus 1 by 1 by 3 minus 1. If we simplify it, we'll get 1640 by 243. We have to use this formula. First, term is 5 and 6 term is 160. Find the positive common ratio. So it is common ratio is mentioned. That means this is in GP. And first term is 5. T6 is equal to 160. We know Tn is equal to A into Rn minus 1. So A is equal to 5. R is, we have to find out, N is 6. 6 minus 1. And T6 equal to 160. So R to the power 5. 32 is equal to R to the power 5. And we know 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32. So R is equal to 2. The third term of a GP is 18 and sixth term is 486. Find the first term and common ratio. It is in GP. So T3 is equal to 5 and T6 is equal to 486. We know T3 is equal to 5. This we know T6 is equal to 4. That means A R n minus 1 A into R, so to the power 5 is equal to 486. So AR2 is equal to 5. Third term is, sorry, this is 18. 18 equal to AR to the power 2. So if we divide 1 is to 2 here, sorry, 2 is to 1 because 2 is bigger number. So 2 is to 1, that will get 486 by 18 is equal to AR5 by AR2. That means AR 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2, 3. A cancel, so this A will be not there, only R to the power 3. So 486 by 18 equal to 27. So R will be, we know 3 to the power 3 equal to 27. So R is equal to 3. So if R is equal to 3, we can put it in equation 1, then we'll get A. 18 equal to A into R square. R square means 3 square. 9 into A. So A is equal to 18 by 9 equal to 2. So A equal to, we got A equal to 2 and R equal to 3. This will be our answer. Determine whether the sequence is in harmonic progression. So harmonic progression, when it's reciprocal and are in arithmetic series, then it is in harmonic progression. So here 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. So here if we take the reciprocal, say 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. 1 in, we can write like this. So reciprocal of these numbers are 1 by 1, it is 1. 1 by 2's reciprocal is 2. This is 3. 1 by 3's reciprocal is 3. And 1 by 4's reciprocal is 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, this is in arithmetical progression. So this series 1 by 2, 1 by 3 is in harmonic progression. So this is in harmonic progression as its reciprocal is in arithmetical progression. Thank you. Next one is find the harmonic mean between 5 and 20. We know the formula. Harmonic progression between two number is 2 into harmonic mean. This is harmonic mean. 2 into a into b by a plus b. The formula between 5 and 20. So a is equal to 5, b is equal to 20. 2 into 5 into 20 by 5 plus 20. We'll get this 8. That will be the harmonic mean. Thank you. That's all for today.